Hello everyone, today I will show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. And here's how it is done. Open Facebook and navigate to the menu. On mobile devices, the menu icon is located either at the bottom right for iOS or top right for Android. Scroll down on the menu page until you see Settings and Privacy option. Tap to expand it, and then select Settings from the list. In the Settings page, locate the Preferences section. Under Preferences, look for the Content Preferences option. If you don't see it right away, use the search function, magnifying glass icon at the top of the settings page. Type Newsfeeds into the search bar to find the relevant option. Once in the Newsfeed settings, select the Unfollow tab. This will display a list of all the people, pages, and groups you are currently following. To unfollow someone, simply tap on their name. There's no need for confirmation, making it quick and easy to unfollow multiple accounts. And that's everything you need to know about how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.